Welcome to our informational video on affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022. Whether you're new to the world of online marketing or looking for ways to monetize your website or social media platforms, affiliate marketing is an excellent opportunity to earn passive income. Today, we'll guide you through the basics and help you get started on your affiliate marketing journey. So, let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. Now, let's discuss the steps involved in getting started with affiliate marketing in 2022. Step 1 is researching and choosing a niche. It's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. This way, you can create valuable content and engage with your audience effectively. Step 2 is finding affiliate programs within your chosen niche. There are various affiliate networks and platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank that connect affiliates with a wide range of products and services. Research and join programs that offer high-quality products, fair commission rates, and reliable tracking systems. Step 3 involves building a strong online presence. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, consistently create valuable content that resonates with your audience. Share your affiliate links strategically, ensuring they complement your content naturally. Step 4 is tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies. Monitoring the performance of your affiliate links is crucial to understand what's working and what's not. Utilize analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and revenue. This data will help you optimize your content and promotional strategies to maximize your earnings. Lastly, step 5 is building trust and maintaining transparency. Your audience's trust is vital for the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. Be transparent about your affiliations, disclose that you may receive a commission, and provide honest, unbiased reviews. Focus on building long-term relationships with your audience by providing valuable and helpful content. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of the key steps to start affiliate marketing in 2022. Remember, it takes time and effort to see significant results, so be patient and stay consistent. As you delve deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, continue educating yourself, staying updated with industry trends, and exploring new techniques. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey.